Hey, it's Casey with Making Sparks. I'm sitting here with Adam Schmidt from ProFab Alliance, and we were just laughing because we're interrupting your regularly scheduled Making Sparks episode to bring you your Sparks of Knowledge.
I got another question for your podcast listeners today, and these would actually be owners of businesses, and they're looking to grow and might be considering some additional services or a bolt-on business, and that's where ProFab Alliance can help out with our franchising. For example, let's say you own a fab shop, right? And you want to offer a more well-rounded services to be more of an all-encompassing shop or one-stop shop. What about offering powder coating and just finishing services to your customers? So ProFab Alliance can help you take that coatings and finishing business and bolt it on to your existing operation. And, we'll help with the setup, the estimating, the systems and processes that you need, and maybe even a few connections to help you get started. So if that's something you're interested in, please visit profaballiance.com.